Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to get marbled nails with gel polish. I saw this picture on Instagram. I think it's by like You Manicure or something like that. There's the @name. I saw this nail art on Instagram and I was like, I know a super easy way to do that. I have no idea how this person did it, but I knew that I had an easy way to do it. So I recreated it about a week ago on my nails, and I thought I would show you guys how to get this really easy nude with white marble over it. So I just want to show you guys how I created these marbled nails. So typically with my nails, I would start out with 2 coats of keratin and then a base coat, but since this is a fake nail, I'm not going to start out with those things. I'm just going to start with the polish. So the first polish I'm going to be using is from the brand Born Pretty. It is this one right here. It's in the shade Caged Bird. Here is it on my swatch stick. I just realized right now this swatch stick got snapped in half. I think I may have just stepped on it before this video. I don't remember. This is what Caged Bird looks like with, I believe this is 2 coats. So basically you just need a nude polish and you will also need a white polish. I'm going to be taking the Beetles gel polish, the white one, which is in the shade 894. Here's what the white looks like on the swatch stick. So for the nude polish, I didn't go with something super opaque. This is actually a nude jelly polish. So as you guys can see, it's not completely opaque. And I'm just going to go over that. And see, like one coat, you really can't even see it. Then I'm going to go cure that for 100 seconds. Alright, then we're going to go over it with a second coat. On my actual nail, I only did 2 coats, but I think for the purpose of this, I am going to do 3. And then I'm going to cure that for 100 seconds. Now I'm going to go with a third coat. I really feel like you only need a third coat on this just because the nail is clear. Obviously, actual nails have a little bit of color to them. Now I'm going to go cure that for 100 seconds. While that's curing, I'm just going to go ahead and get the white ready. Just putting some on a little tray so that I can use it. Alright, so now for the last coat, we aren't going to cure this one yet. With my actual nails, I only did 3 coats total. This one's 4 coats total, but I only did 3 on my actual nails. Then you're going to take a brush. This is just like a little flat, almost like a little paintbrush. Dip it into some white, and then I just like put it on there and just sort of like swirled it around a little bit. Brought some up here. Just swirled it around. You could also go back in with the nude if you want to go back in with the nude and like add some extra nude parts. But for me personally, I just liked having the white. But look at that. Look at how pretty that is. It looks so complicated and it's so simple. Now I'm going to go ahead and cure that and then we're going to top coat it. And then we're done. Now going in with the top coat. Of course, I'm using the Beetles gel polish. Top it off, top coat. A nice top coat. Then cure that and we will be done with this nail art. And there is the nail done. Look at how cute. I love this style so much. I think it's adorable. Look at that nice glossy top coat on it. And each nail is just a little bit different. Each nail's unique. I just love this nail look. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. And if you guys want to see more nail art tutorials, I can definitely do those. Or if you guys want to see like a nail polish collection, because obviously I have a lot of gels and I would love to do that for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every single Saturday and Wednesday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!